Hey everyone, how you doing? So somebody on YouTube asked me the question that when you lose teeth and you have dentures, what is it that makes you, it'll give you an aged appearance, okay? Or what can be done to reverse the aged appearance that dentures give you? So actually there's a whole bunch of things, but I'm going to tell you what the most important one is, okay? And that is essentially this distance from your chin to your nose. Okay, if we split up your face into three sections, and each section's roughly a third, and we call this the lower face, the lower third of the face, okay, or the lower face height. And what happens is, as you lose teeth, especially back teeth, it can put pressure on the front teeth, okay, and the front teeth can wear down. Your bite will change, and if you then have crowns and fillings done, what your dentist does is they don't rebuild, but they conform to the new collapsed bite. Okay, so here's a photo of a guy who we did a full mouth rehabilitation for, but you can see that the front teeth are much higher than the back teeth. And this is the story here. He's been losing teeth for years and years, and his bite is slowly collapsing in, and he's had crowns done on these back teeth, but the dentist, instead of rebuilding and doing everything all at once, what they did was just treat each tooth individually. And you can't build up a bite, you can't reverse all these signs of aging with just treating one tooth at a time. You need to actually look at everything and rebuild everything all at once. So really what happens is, in almost every single one of the kind of all-on-4 full set of teeth on implants, those kind of treatments that we do, we find that over time the bite has collapsed. Okay, it may be because of gum disease as well. Gum disease causes teeth to become loose, and as they become loose, you put more pressure and everything starts spreading forward and out. Okay, again, this distance from here to here is collapsing. Also, as you lose teeth, you lose gum support and your cheeks sink in a little bit. Again, that's going to contribute to the appearance of aging. The lower teeth as well, what happens is you lose the support. As you lose support of your front teeth, everything sinks in, your chin becomes more prominent. Also, as you lose teeth, your upper and lower jaws, as this lower face height decreases, your chin becomes more prominent. Again, these are subtle things, but all combined together, they can make someone look much older than they are. So when we do a smile makeover and we rejuvenate a smile, we try and bring back this lower face height, okay? And that's why our patients look 10, 15 years younger after they've got a great smile. Yes, their teeth are whiter and brighter, that contributes, that makes a big difference, but also it's the facial structures which change a lot during the overall treatment as well. Okay, so I hope this answered your question, and if anyone else has any questions which they'd like me to answer, pop them in the comments. I might not reply to everyone, but I do read all of the comments. If you find these videos useful, please consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button here and you should get notifications when I upload. Okay, so until next time, take care.